The second report of the Institute is on BRICS Plus. So given that China is the leading partner in this new and evolving coalition, it was really important for me to visit China and to really understand how this coalition and the geopolitical developments are viewed in the country and really understand the pulse of the country. Well, U.S. is actually in a very unique position because it's the only country in the world that has the three following ingredients. It has a currency that is the major reserve currency in the world. It is the major provider of safe assets in the global financial system, and it is the major provider of innovation and technology in the world. And these three factors are combined to create a very interrelated global financial system where the rest of the world ends up being invested both in the US dollars, US safe assets, and US equities. And the one asset is supporting the sustainability of the other. In the short term, I think the biggest risk is geopolitical in nature, and that's why the Institute is so much focused initially on macro issues, geopolitical issues, in order to be able to understand the main drivers that will impact the business environment in which we operate, and ultimately the way we approach investments and manage our portfolios. We have the BRICS Plus coalition and initiatives within this coalition that could eventually lead to the creation of an alternative currency to that of the US dollar. So I think in a sense, countries that are part of this coalition that keeps expanding could be in a better position to deal with an eventual decline in the importance of the US dollar and US assets going forward. Well, then the second report will be on BRICS Plus and should be coming out early 2025. The third report of the Institute will be on demographics and AI, and then we're going to move into more portfolio implementation issues. We'll do a deep dive into private assets, which are becoming increasingly important. And of course, we're going to dissect also the area of emerging markets. It's an area of the world that really holds a lot of the future economic growth. I must say I was really struck by the warmth of the people that I met in different cities and places I visited. Certainly I'm living with wonderful memories from the region and from China.